Stay tuned, because today we hit another item on my wife's bucket list.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Today we leave the big cities of Texas and we head out to the country. So enjoy a little bit of the view as we head on our way.
Welcome to the town of Maypearl. Prepare to enjoy some country life on the farm. Knowles Blessed Adventures always brings you such adventures. Thank you for coming along.
Thank you so much, NBA, for bouncing me down the road and for the memory of my Aunt Maypearl.
Who was 112 years old, I think he said.
In 1 mile, arrive at 574 at Dawson Road on the run.
Beautiful home they're building right there.
What's that?
Beautiful home they're building right there. So we're members of a harvest host, which I may have explained in another video, where different farms, ranches, museums, wineries, and wanted to make sure I got them all in there, and golf courses allow you to spend the night, and they usually will tour you, and whatever their specialty is, they give you a tour and explain it all and let you spend the night there. So we have not experienced too many of them, but I have always wanted to stop at an alpaca farm. So I'm finally making that bucket list item come true here in Maypearl, Texas, and we're getting ready to pull in.
570.
I spot the alpaca. Look, she's waiting to welcome me right there. Little cute white thing. Okay, but I don't know about getting in that.
Legendary
Alpacas, that's it.
This is
Legendary alpacas. Ooh, that gate's a little teeny though. Oh, look at the alpaca. Oh. Do you think we can get in there okay? Ooh. Honey, that's awful close. You want me to get out there?
pretty sure we got it.
Oh, look. She's like, what is going on? What's going on? They look like they just maybe sheared them. Oh, look what's coming up over there.
Yeah.
Oh.
They just been. You need me to come back there and spot you?
He's the guy or somebody's out there doing something for them, telling them.
Stay further.
So I'm looking forward to learning about alpacas, and they have a little store. They're going to tell you about what they make out of their fur. Sorry, the camera's all over the place because I'm looking at the alpacas. So this is a pretty neat thing. They were very kind to let us come stay here, and oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. Their faces are adorable. It looks like somebody else might be visiting too. Oh, that must be Gina. So this is the farm. This is their home, I believe. And this is where they got Karen and Glenn. And this is where they got us. So it worked out great right here in the driveway. So pretty excited. Wow.
We have the national white champion, the national beige champion, the national
Remember that dog I was
black
telling you
champion.
about? This is what it looked like.
You're kidding.
Seriously. That's what that dog looked like, and it was had some white, like it was like a black kind of.
What?
It was gorgeous.
It was a baby llama.
That's him.
And you thought it was a dog.
Is that the one up front?
I have 3
Oh
blacks.
wow, this is her store that they make everything out of the llama. I mean the alpaca. Oh, I'm sorry. Wow.
We don't breed in the summer.
Hats, scarves, gloves. Wow.
So we stop breeding in June 30th.
Oh my
But we don't breed
goodness.
it all until Thanksgiving because we don't want
That
them
is
to
amazing.
harvest. Right. So we bought half interest in him.
This is
And we
real
co-own him with a
alpaca
farm in
hair.
Vermont. So in June, he ships
Oh my
back to Vermont, and
goodness.
he works for the partner farm during their breeding season, which is
Oh my goodness. That is
No, seriously, you need to feel that.
oh my
it's the
goodness.
softest thing I've ever felt.
And it's all non-allergenic.
It's a rug.
And it's non-allergenic. Hyperallergenic.
I mean, it's
So to really appreciate this, realize I sit out the whole month of July and hand dye all of this on my front. Back up. No.
It's nice and shady over here.
Come here, Alpaca. Will you come see me, Naomi? Everyone's registered. Everyone has a name.
And how you keep them all separate, you probably just know.
When you spend the money I spend on them,
Yes.
purchase for specific attributes to bring to my herd, you make a breeding decision. You wait a whole year for that offspring. So this is Naomi. She's actually out of a white female and a black crosshair. Hi, Naomi. This is Halsey. Halsey's fleece is the one that's laid out that you felt.
Oh, okay.
This is Halsey. She's an Angiola daughter. Hi, Halsey. Go for it.
nope. You know what?
I
No?
don't think so. Halsey will. She's greedy guts.
Oh, boy, yeah.
Her and Epiphany are greedy guts.
Yes, scrape it.
Hi, sweetie.
Here she is. She's getting the feed. She's getting to feed the alpaca by hand, and she's loving it.
Hi, sweetheart.
You greedy. You greedy. You're greedy.
Mimi says, "I'm getting in on that deal."
This is Mimi, right?
This is Mimi. Mimi's the eater. Mimi said, "I don't know about the rest of them. I'm getting me
Hi,
some."
sweetie. You want some too? Here.
Some of them are kind of picky,
Yes.
and but
You're greedy.
but Mimi said, "I'm in."
Oh, do you want some too?
Whoopsie.
Huh?
Mimi says, "I'm in. Coming back for more."
Okay, hold on.
Here you go, Kim.
Oh,
Smooth pad.
wow.
So her bottom incisors match exactly, which is a beautiful bite. See that? So she
Yes,
grazes well.
gorgeous.
They have full sets of molars, so they do chew their cud. And then she's got, nope, you're gonna stand. A soft pad and toenails.
Soft
wow.
So
pad.
no pasture damage.
Yeah.
You're a very sweet girl. Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah.
they're so cute.
Kim is what Kim wanted.
Yes, yes.
So we're here.
Mimi's back. She said, "I'm in. Everybody else can just stand around, but I'm in."
Sweetie.
She's a brat.
She said, "It's like, hey, this is how it goes." All right, I was saying the wrong name. That's Mimi. That's Halsey. Halsey said, "I'm eating it all." So we came out into the field so she can just see all of them. They sound like we're not interested in eating out of your hand. Just a couple of them were.
I should have kept a little bit of.
And she explained to us that the pen further over there are all the ones back in the further back, not this one. Those are all males, and they're separated by like their personalities. And then there's a field over here that she has several in, which these were the older ones, and 1 3-year-old, because they have the similar personality. And then she has one way down yonder that pretty aggressive, so she said he's in timeout. But pretty cool. Like she said, they have a community poop pile, so they all poop in the same place. And that way you don't have poop all over the place. And she said that keeps also the infections and parasites down, so there's not poop everywhere. Pretty cool animal.
The dog is back there. You know, it's not going to get up, but it's going to whine at us. Look at this turkey. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's the guineas.
Charlotte.
That is beautiful.
That is
10 days old. And that's Mom over there, prima donna. Oh, she's gonna go see if there's some more, get the other babies. So I have to say good morning and goodbye to my beautiful alpacas. See, they're looking at me. Saying, here she comes with that camera. This is my cutie pie right here. Looky there. Look at that face. Oh, don't jump up. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to be heading off towards Dallas, Fort Worth area. And this has been a wonderful stay and learned so much about alpacas. They're camera shy, I think. If you are ever in the area close to Dallas, Fort Worth, you should definitely make a side trip to Maypearl. It's only, well, half hour, 40 minutes from here. So educational. She is just phenomenal. It's not just about showing the alpacas, but giving you a lot of history. And this show winner over here, it's just very, very interesting. Best alpaca tour. Best tour ever. She really gives you a lot of information. fella. Good morning.
Figured that would get him up.
Did it get him up? Like I said, if you are ever close to Dallas, Fort Worth, Austin, you definitely need to come to this alpaca farm. It's a tight squeeze for us big ones, but we made it. It's worth it.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Wow, what an exciting visit to the legendary alpaca farm of Texas. I tell you, we had too much fun that if we get back that way, we'll pay it a second visit. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, push that subscribe button so you can be notified when we post a new video. And always share it with your family and friends. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. And as always, thanks again for following along with Noel's Blessed Adventures.